Hi, I'm Nick with Calibrated Power. Today let's talk about the STR for the HE351 and 300 VG. So that's all you guys with 2007.5 to 2023 Cummins powered Rams. By now many of these trucks have been tuned. Most of them have a lot of miles on them. And if you're considering a turbocharger replacement, it's either because you got a high mile unit and you want to replace it, or maybe you're just looking to upgrade. Either way, I want to put the Stealth STR on your radar, and here's why. You're going to spend time and money to replace this turbocharger. You should replace it with pieces that are improved over stock. The first one of those to consider is the nozzle ring. We use an upgraded nozzle ring in our STR. And the reason for that is that the factory nozzle ring has a short, narrow window that all exhaust gas flows through. Now that window basically dictates how much horsepower the exhaust can pull out and turn into drive energy on the turbine. That's important to you because drive energy on the turbine decides how much boost you can make, how much mass airflow you can move through the system on the compressor side. So horsepower to drive this compressor wheel comes from the exhaust, and that originates in this nozzle ring. We use a nozzle ring that's exclusive. It's custom made, it's engineered by us. We make this nozzle ring to draw more exhaust energy out of the truck, and we do that without making it so that you have to change tuning. So yes, you can tune the truck to set the nozzle ring up to get the most exhaust energy possible out of it, and we have another video on that. You can also run this nozzle ring with stock tuning, and you can run it with your out-of-the-box, Smarty or MM3 or whatever Edge stuff you have if you don't want to change tuning. So available to take advantage of if you want it. It's there, it's an upgrade, it's a nice thing to add. So we've upgraded the nozzle ring. Now we want to upgrade the turbine wheel to take advantage of that larger nozzle ring. What we do on the turbine wheel is we widen the inducer, and what that does is allow this turbine to take advantage of the larger nozzle ring. So these parts all match together, and they've all been engineered by us and cut to our specifications. This larger turbine wheel is going to lower your drive pressure under heavy load. When we lower drive pressure, we make the turbocharger more efficient, and we lower exhaust gas temperatures. So basically when you're using that tune, the extra horsepower that the tune is giving you to tow or in a sustained grade, really using the truck heavy, what you're going to have is lower exhaust gas temperatures and higher turbocharger efficiency in those scenarios. On the compressor wheel side, we're looking at a 60mm compressor. This is a similar size to stock, but don't let that fool you. This is a 7x7, it's a billet ball milled compressor wheel, and this thing is made for maximum airflow and lightweight. So what we want is the ability to move air, and we want it to be as reliable as stock, and we want it to spool up even quicker than stock. So we do everything we can to maximize those three things in the package. What you get is a turbocharger that's conservatively rated at 500 horsepower. I've seen these things push to 600, no problem. At that 500 horsepower, the turbo is going to be reliable, it's going to be efficient, it's going to be something you can lean on every day and not worry about. So on the topic of reliability, we know you guys with STRs are counting on your trucks every day. You're putting a lot of miles on them. Reliability is a big concern. We're using genuine whole set actuators. These are brand new parts. Everything's clocked, everything's spec'd and tested and cleaned, and most parts are new. So this is a turbocharger you can rely on for many miles to come. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for a turbo that's going to lower EGTs, that's going to lower shaft speed, that's going to be able to move more air than a stock turbocharger at a price point that's going to beat a stock turbocharger, the Stealth STR for your 07.5 to 2023 Cummins is where it's at. Give us a call at 815-568-7920, and we can answer any questions you might have about this turbo on your truck. I'm Nick Pregnant. Thanks for watching.